All right, what's up guys? So I'm just gonna do a real quick video here. A lot of stupid stuff is going on. As the economy gets worse, times are tightening, that stupid stuff is on the rise. Unfortunately, I've been hearing of a lot of Camaros getting stolen. Only a few instances I've heard is where it's kind of like, yeah, that could have been prevented. But a lot of it is, you know, people are sneaky. I had a couple people reach out to me and say, hey, look out, there's a lot of Camaros being stolen. And a lot of people have been asking me, what can I do about it? You know, to protect my car. I'll just say this, key fob, I'm not sure on the range, and it seems to be every car is different. And as the battery ages, the distance vary, but the fob, key fobs are pretty much designed to work. I found this, it says anywhere from 5 to 20 meters. Now I've been hearing a lot of people saying that, you know, they've been trying like a 2SS, rolling the windows down, trying different distances with different features, and they say about 30-40 feet. I'm assuming that's gonna be an unobstructed fob car, nothing in between type scenario. So anyways, what I'm gonna say is how the fob or how that system works is GM has got a really good encryption system. If you guys haven't noticed, it took multiple companies, some of them going into bankruptcy, many years just to crack the C8 Corvette. The encryption on Camaro is really good. And it seems to be an accident that seems to get people hung up and get people caught. So here, I will say this one thing. When you park your car at night, keep your key as far away from the car as possible. I know a lot of people, they just walk in the door and boom, hang their keys right on the hook. In the past, it's always made sense. It still does. But, you know, the further you can keep the key away from the car, and I say that because the key is actually what has the code. And now you see people walking around your car with the flipper or that flipper 0 that they use to try to crack the code and open the door and start the car and take off. That's not the case. The car is always searching for the key. It takes the key coming into the proximity or coming into range of the car in order for that missing puzzle piece to be clicked into place. So for the people that I would say, if you're in the scenario where you're like a attached garage and the car is right next to the key on the other side of the wall, that's going to be prime target. That's going to be an pretty low hanging fruit for these people. What I would recommend is get a Faraday box or a Faraday pouch. Is actually going to block the signal coming from the car to the key, pretty much eliminating the situation. Make sure your car is locked, make sure your car is in the garage, and these are just simple rules for any insurance policy when they ask you. Lock the car, keep it pulled away. I mean, a lot of people are pulling fuses. Kill switches are not gonna be the solution, I believe. Kill switches are nothing more than a pain in the ass, and you know, the shoes on the other foot, you're able to have your car stopped on you as well. I'm just gonna say, all in all, Chevrolet's got a pretty good encryption on the car. This isn't really common. The people that do have their car stolen, especially at like dealerships and stuff, I hear of leaving keys in the car, leaving keys out in plain sight. You know, if it's within proximity of the car, they can, you know, flip it, mimic the code, hop in the car, and they're gone. Also, these cars will drive without the fob in them. The fob has to be inside the vehicle to start the car. You can take the fob out while the car is running. You can drive off and you can drive forever. Now, I will say the first time you shut it off, it's over, but the car will drive without the fob. I've seen a lot of mechanical gimmicky things, you know, locks, steering wheel locks, whatever. You know, use whatever you feel is comfortable. You can air tag the vehicle, but I'm gonna leave it with this. Keep the key away from the car until you're ready to drive it. So have a good day. Until the next video, hope you guys are having an awesome day. Subscribe, like the video, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.